Hello, my people. Today well, actually, for most of the days I'm going to be playing Alicia online. Because Star Stable has been having some general errors, so I'll be... Oh my god, train. Anyway, but I'll be playing Alicia online. This is my little nickname, I guess. Username, whatever it's called. But in this game, you can, have many differences from Star Stable. Like, you can fly. Okay, but I'll be racing with my raccoon. Anyway, why does this keep on blinking? Whatever. But I'm gonna be licking it. I'm gonna switch my pet for, rollers. Okay, nice. I do have an egg right there. Stop it! But let's go ahead and just go. No, I don't need help. Okay. Let's go. This is, I know I haven't posted in a while for many reasons. Carnival. Carnival triggers me. Carnival triggers. Wait, what? Okay, sure. I told you. No. Oh my god. I'm just gonna join this. Don't ask why. I don't like that name whatsoever. I bet they're gonna, like, kick me. Okay. I guess they won't. Can we go now? Okay. Oh, get the balloon! Get the balloon, get the balloon. No. There's gonna be some new video where I just like settle down. Where's my phone? Okay, now I lost my phone. Dang it, I hate this map. So many reasons why I hate this map. I literally mean there's so many reasons. Random rage. Is that, oh my gosh. My teammate is behind. Way behind. Ah, dang it. Ah, shoot. Okay, I guess my teammate isn't behind. I'm the one behind now. Wait, what was that? What? I really like this because whenever you fly, you just have those fire wings right there. Or not. Okay, teammate, you caught. Fast, you caught up fast. Oh, what? Did you say jubba? Oh, okay, that was a critical. Oh my god. I don't really understand criticals anymore. Oh my gosh, my seal is on grass. Why don't you get a carpet burn? did that? Oh my gosh. I got hit by ice. That was amazing. Okay. I love the sound of galloping. It's just so sweet. And feels like I have a horse right next to me. And literally mean in my face. Oh my gosh, I should have got that. You're so stupid. I don't know how stupid I am sometimes. Wait, what? Fly. I want to fly. What the heck? You fly. Mean. Very mean. Blah, 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 blah. My experience went up. Wait, what? What? Crystal said something. I never knew that I spelled Crystal wrong. Oh my gosh. I never knew the step, but whatever. Yeah. Okay. But I'm gonna do, I know tomorrow will be Monday, but, I'm gonna do another video tomorrow of, like, me racing without my voice, because my voice might be kind of annoying to some of you. But, yeah. So, yeah, bye. If you don't give it a dislike, just, like, leave my channel or something.